Welcome to the introduction of dynamic objects for Awning Composer 5. During this video, I'm going to show you the new features and functionality of dynamic objects. With these new dynamic objects, you can quickly build 3D models of the awning frame and fabric. You can adjust the frames on the fly and instantly see the changes that you've made. You can also quickly build corners, adding pieces for inside and outside corners, and show the functionality of objects such as retractable awnings and vertical screens. Now I'm going to show you a few examples of what you can do with dynamic objects. Now that there's a dynamic tab in Awning Composer, I'm going to bring in just a traditional awning. I've got a checkbox to remove the fabric so that I can just work on the frame. As you can see, as I make any adjustments to the width, the height, or the depth, it'll instantly change and update the frame. You can easily go in and change the spacing of things such as rafters, the internal supports, and also the sign band. Now if you want to add corners, go up to the Add Object and click on the Corners tab. Here you have some different options for different types of corners. Select the corner you want and the side of the awning you'd like to add it to. Now we'll just add the other side and it bolts on where it needs to be. Now when you make any adjustments to the dimensions, it'll also change the other pieces altogether. Now by adding the fabric back, choosing a color style, and also a frame color, you can see how the awning comes together. Another powerful feature of the dynamic objects is showing functionality. Under the Dynamic tab, we have a retractable awning. I'm going to add a frame color and a fabric color. By looking underneath the awning, you'll see all the parts to this retractable awning. Over on the left I have a slider bar that I can control the percentage of how open this awning is. By just sliding the bar, you can see the functionality of how the awning works. There's also a slider bar to control the pitch. These are just a few examples of how powerful the new dynamic objects are in Awning Composer 5. Please check out the next video where I'll explain the difference between dynamic objects and the other pre-built 3D models, and also show you how to design and customize an awning frame.